Hello, my dear friends. I'm Stanislav Shamayev, a licensed business immigration and corporate attorney in Miami, Florida. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the US non-immigrant visas that will allow your spouse to come with you and be able to work in your company or in any company in the United States of America. At the end of this video, you will be able to learn how to get a free evaluation of the visas that allow your spouse to work here in the States. Let's go. All right, you guys been asking me this question at the webinar that we held in March of 2023. That webinar, first of all, was a great success. If you are subscribed to my channel and you want to come to the States through the talent visa and you didn't go to the webinar, well, bad for you, because the feedback from people who went was 5-star, best ever, never happened before. Please do more of this. I think this is the best objective opinion from people who actually went and saw that with their own eyes, because I think it was the best. But you know, it's maybe subjective. So you guys who came and watched, thank you. It was great. And those who did not, wait for new announcements for the new webinars. And if you're serious about coming to the States and you don't go to those, you are shooting yourself in the foot. So the topic of today's video is which US work visas will allow your spouse to work. And I'm not going to cover all the exceptions, okay? Because H-1B, H-4 visas sometimes might get the spouse the right to work under very limited circumstances. Student visa F1, not for the spouse but for the main applicant. Or some visas that, you know, they may have very, very limited exceptions. I'm going to talk only about the visas that guarantee your spouse the right to work in the States. And basically, there are only two visas like that. And again, I'm not gonna talk about immigrant visas, because the immigrant visa, which starts with EB, EB1, EB2, EB3, EB4, EB5, employment-based, EB, okay? They all grant the green card to your family. Your family is mama, papa, and the kids under 21. Those are the slam dunk. It's clear that everybody gets a green card, so there is no reason to explain that a green card gives you the right to work, regardless of where you work. I'm going to be talking about temporary work visas. And the two visas that guarantee your spouse the right to work are L1 and E2 visa. Those are the visas that will guarantee if you get L1 visa, your spouse will get L2 visa and the right to work. And E2 visa gets your spouse E2 visa, and your spouse will be able to work as well. Both of them allow your spouse to work within your company. Stanislav, why are you saying your company? Well, there you go. L1 visa, it's an intra-company transfer. So there are two companies. Both of them are yours, and you have your American company. And E2 is basically an investment visa that allows you through your own company to come and work. Or if you're E2 employee in the company, that's also your company. So I'm saying that the company where you work under L1 or E2 visa is called yours company, okay? So your spouse, either on L2 or E2, will be able to work in your company or in any other company in the US. And this is great news, okay? If you change your status here being in the States, your spouse will pretty fast get the paper that will allow him or her to get a social security number and work. Or if you're getting your visas through the embassy, your spouse will be getting the same type of visa, maybe with a little bit different number, but once you cross the border, you have that permission to work. So L1 and E2 basically the only two visas that I know. Okay, I don't specialize in all immigration. I specialize only in business, investment, and talent, because I can hear maybe one of you is like yelling somewhere from Pakistan, Stanislav, there is some Lord knows IHQ F5 C2 visa that maybe, okay? I don't know what that visa means, but in the main pool of the visas, these are the only two. Unfortunately, O1 visa, and this is my pain and this is your pain, guys. Your spouse only gets O3 visa, which doesn't allow to work. And I know that O1 is such a good visa. It's pretty easy to get, it's fast, it's good, it's for 3 years. It's a dual intent and everything is great. Your kids can go to school and it's just great visa, but the spouse cannot work. O1 is almost a perfect visa with one little exception. So, but if you're single or if you're a business person or if you're IT, if you're an engineer, I think this is not a big issue, okay? Especially if you have family and small kids and somebody needs to take care of them, that may be not a big deal for you. So if you think you're qualified and you want to come to the States, you can get a free evaluation of your case. That means I can analyze your case for free. You don't have to pay me. You don't have to get with me on the phone. All you need to do, you need to go down below this video. Find the link, the business visas. If you want to do the O1 visa, find the link for talent visas. Fill out the questionnaire. Give me as much detail as you can. And within 48 hours, I'll get back to you with initial qualification if you qualify for this type of visa or not. And if you do qualify, I will invite you to the complex immigration planning. Complex immigration planning is a 2-phase service that I have in my company, where at the first phase you meet with a data manager who is going to collect all the information from you that I need. And when you meet with me, I already do the final qualification of your case. Remember, there's initial qualification and there's a final qualification. And I create the initial strategy of filing of your petition. And I send you the file with that strategy. If you guys like this video, and of course you liked it, smash the like button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not, and subscribe to my Instagram and to my TikTok, all the links in the description of this video. I'm Stanislav Shamayev, a lawyer of the future. Your future begins here. Good luck.